Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Engineering All in One. So in this video we will see MCQs on email. So let us start. Question number 1 is email stands for encrypted mail, electronic mail, end user mail or explorer mail. The right option is option number 2, electronic mail. See question number 2, easiest way of communication is email, telephone, fax or letter. I hope you have guessed. The right option is option number 1, email. Third question is, first email was sent by Charles Babbage, Alan Turing, Wentworth or Ray Tomlinson. The right option is option number D, Ray Tomlinson. Fourth question is, first email was sent by Ray Tomlinson in 1990, 1971, 1950 or 2006. The right option is option number 2, 1971. Ray Tomlinson sent it. Now, question number 5 is dash refers to the transmission of messages across the computer networks in an electronic form. MMS, SMS, letters or email. The correct option is option number D, email. Now see question number 6. Time taken by email to reach its recipient is approximately minutes, seconds, hours, days or none. The right option is option number 1, minutes or seconds. Question number 7. Symbol used in the email is @ is here, hash and then this symbol or %. So symbol used is @. For example, Ray Tomlinson, you have saw @gmail.com. You may have saw this. So @ is used. See question number 8. Unnecessary mail is called spam, scrap, trash or garbage. The right option is option number 1, spam. This question can be asked in another language like, see here, unsolicited commercial email is called spam. So remember it. Question number 9. Email is arranged with respect to date and time, name, subject or client and server. The right option is option number 1, date and time. See question number 10. Storage area of email is attachment, mailbox, IP address or none. Right option is option number 2, mailbox. 11th question is, first email message was PQRST UVWX. Second option is QWER TYIOP. Third option is DEF GHI JKLMN or none. The right option is option number 2, QWER TYIOP. Question number 12 is, which of the following TCP/IP protocol is used for sending emails across the internet? FTP, SNMP, SMTP and RPC. Third is the right option, SMTP. What is the full form of SMTP? We will see in the coming MCQ. See here question number 13. While sending an email, dash line describes the contents of the message to subject, contents or CC. 4 options are given. The right option is option number 2, subject. Question number 14. Gmail belongs to Great Mail, Yahoo Mail, Google Mail or General Mail. Gmail belongs to Google Mail. C option is correct. 15th question is, a dash allows us to access our email from anywhere. Forum, webmail interface, message board or weblog. The right option is option number 2, webmail interface allows us to access our email from anywhere. See question number 16. An email address can be up to dash characters. Username characters maximum up to 64. This is the limit for the username characters. So we have to here identify the right option. 254, 260, 250 or 200. The right option is option number 1, 254. 17th question is, an email address begins with dash which is selected by the user. Sign, host name, domain or username. The right option is option number D, An email begins with the username. Gmail server for sending emails is, four options are given. See here. This imap.gmail.com, imap.gmail.org, smtp.gmail.com, smtp.gmail.in. Right option is option number C, smtp.gmail.com. Ninth the question is, which of the following protocol is here is used for fetching email from the mailbox? SMTP, POP3, HTTP or FTP? Right option is option number second, POP3. 20 the question is, which protocol is used to access email from anywhere machine and anywhere? PGP, IMAP, TCP or POP? Right option is option number second, IMAP. Allows to access email anywhere. See here, these are few lines about the IMAP and POP3 are the two most important, O is here, important protocols for retrieving emails. While POP3 is being accessed only by the one application, while IMAP allows simultaneous access by multiple clients. Hope you have got these lines. See question number 21. In a typical email address, john@gmail.com. John is username, sign domain name or none. John is username. So option number first is correct. Question number 22. In address james@gmail.com. Gmail.com is username, domain name, both are none. The right option is option number second, domain name. Gmail.com is domain name and James is username. See question number 23. Email service provider is Google, Yahoo, Outlook or all of the above? All of the above are email service provider. Question number 20. See here, other email service provider are MSN and Hotmail. See question number 24. What does the BCC mean in the email? Black carbon copy, blind carbon copy, business computer center or none? Right option is option number second, blind carbon copy. Question number 25. SMTP stands for Service Mail Transport Protocol, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, Service Mail Transfer Protocol. Right option is option number C. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. 26th question is, IMAP stands for International Message Access Protocol, Internet Message Access Protocol, both, or Internet Mail Access Protocol. Right option is option number second, Internet Message Access Protocol. 27th question is, true about the BCC is. Now see these lines. Stands for the carbon copy, names and the address of those have been visible to the other recipient. User to organize the email in the same way as the folders organize files on the computer. Third option is stands for the blind carbon copy. The names and the address of those that have been copied are not visible to the other recipient. So right option is option number C. True about the CC, carbon copy is. Stands for the carbon copy. The name and the address of those that have been copied are visible to all recipients. Stands for the carbon key, the name of those that have concerns for email. Stands for the build carbon copy. The name and the address of those that have been carbon copied are not visible to the other recipient. The right option is option number first. See 29th question. In email, attach is used to create, write a message, is used to include a file or photo, list of received email messages. Right option is option number second, is used to include a file, photo. 30 question is, in email forward, sends the email to a new recipient, person to whom the email is sent, or the information being communicated. Right option is option number first. In email forward, sends the email to a new recipient. 31st question is, true statement about the inbox in email is. Message that takes up space is here. In our Google Mail, used to organize emails in the same way folders are used to organize files on the computer. List of received emails. The right option is option number C, list of received email messages. 32th question is, email was invented in which country? Norway, Spain, America, or Canada? Right option is option number C, America. 33th question. Which of the following is not a term pertaining to email? PowerPoint, inbox, sender, or receiver? Right option is option number first. PowerPoint is not a term pertaining to the email. The term associated with email is stale, trash, dropped, or compose, or all of the above. Right option is option number E, all of the above. These are all the terms associated with the email. Other terms associated with the email are to, CC, BC, subject, attachment, insert link, or send. See 35th question. The command to create and send a new mail to other from sender side, compose, attach, draft, or trash. The right option is command. Compose is a command to create or send a new mail to other from the sender side. 36th question is deleted items from the mailbox is stored in mailbox, trash, attachment, or none. Right option is option number second, trash. 37th question is the main headline of the email is called attachment, subject, dropped, or none. Right option is option number second, subject. Now see 38th question. When email return back and is not delivered is called bounced email, attached email, deleted email, or encrypted email. Right option is option number first, bounced email. 39th question. How many emails can we send at a time? 500, 200, 55, 100, or none. Right option is option number first, 500. 40th question. Maximum size of the email in the Gmail is 10 MB. This is for Google Mail. 10 MB, 25 MB, 28 MB, or none. Right option is option number second, 25 MB. Maximum size of email is 25 MB in the Google Mail, but in the Outlook it is 20 MB. See question number 41. Storage of the email of Gmail and Outlook 100 GB, 15 GB, 40 GB, or 75 GB. Right option is option number second, 15 GB. 42th question. All outgoing messages are stored in dash folder. Draft, deleted, inbox, or sent. All outgoing messages are stored in sent folder. 43th question. Creating a new email account. Click on sign in, sign up, registration, or sign on. Right option is option number second, sign up. Is used for creating new. Now see 44th question. Email account can be obtained by registering email, ISP, mailbox, or none. ISP. Email account can be obtained by registering on ISP. See 45th question is dash is a keyboard shortcut key to compose email. There are 4 keys, shortcut keys. We have to here identify from the keyboard which key is used as a shortcut key to compose an email. The right option is option number first, Control is a shortcut key to compose email. So these were the 45th question. I have tried my best. Still, if you will feel any kind of mistake, please comment. I will be thankful to you. Also, I request to you, if you have got some amount of information from my video, subscribe the channel. That is the best way to say thanks to me. Thank you, Stable Lesson.